Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add photo to a contact on the Google Pixel 10. So first, if you want to add a picture to the contact, then go over to the dialer, and here you will have the option to view the contacts. Now here, as you guys can see, I've got a lot of contacts, and now let's find one without a profile picture. Here we can add it just by clicking on the pen right up top here, and here you guys can add a picture. So you guys can choose, let's say, let me choose this one and click on choose, and here we can also add a picture and a calling card. So we can choose it from gallery, Google Photos, and much more. So as you guys can see, I'll add this dog right here. Now we can customize it and also manage everything else. So now we need to click done, and as you guys can see, we can save it, and this is how it looks like. So we got our profile picture right here. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.